How many phone numbers can you remember? Probably not that many, right? Don't worry, I can only remember a couple myself. Fortunately, our phones save these things for us. Now try to remember the link from yesterday. You know, the one of the funny cat on Facebook. And you wanted to share that with your friends, but you didn't share it then and you forgot, well, I want to share it later, but I can't share it at work. So I need to save this link. Remembering things like this is a problem. Google solved this problem with goo.gul. As of April 1st, 2018, Google was shutting down its URL redirect service to new users. Bit.ly was one of the main URL redirect links, but they were kind of blacklisted from Craigslist. So that leaves you with very few options. It was time to do something about it. The need is for affiliate marketers to have a way to promote large links that they don't want to post on their Twitter feeds or on their Instagrams. It's something they can hashtag. People still need to shrink and redirect URLs. Yes, the world is moving to a more mobile platform, but until we get to that point, we have to fill the void. The work took 6 months. I worked on building a website that I could use, mainly for me. Everyone else could use it if they wanted to, but mainly this website was for me, to track my URLs, my redirects, and do analytics on my links. No USB sticks, no dongles, no bookmarks, just copy, paste, done. One little database that links everything up and tracks everything for you. Zipl.It. Shrink it, share it, done. Cue coffee.